Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a pull-through braid. This one is really simple, really easy, a good braid for beginners. I started by splitting the hair in half, straight down the middle of the head. And now I am on the right half, and I've just made a small little triangle part here. I'm going to dampen the hair just a little bit to smooth out these flyaways. And once I have it nice and smooth, I'm going to tie it up with an elastic. Now that I have that hair tied up, I'm gonna move it out of my way and take my comb here and make another section. Now that I've smoothed out this section right here, I'm going to tie this up with an elastic as well. So this next step is going to be where we start our braid. I'm going to take my first section and split it into two pieces. You're going to want to make sure that they're fairly even on each side. Now that I have that, I'm going to clip this second piece out of my way. And I'm going to put these two strands and combine them with the next section I'm going to take. Now that I have my next section nice and smoothed out, I am going to tie this one up with an elastic. I've gotten some questions about elastics and what type of elastics I use. These ones here do not cause any breakage. My little one has fine hair, and I trust these wholeheartedly to not cause any damage to her hair. So if you guys are interested, I will link these here in the description for you. As you can see now, I'm going to take this section that I had pinned up and split it, make sure they're even, and I'm just going to do the same thing over again. I'm going to take this next piece, clip it up out of my way, and combine my two strands in the next section. And I'm going to continue this all the way down the head. Now for the fun part, I'm gonna go back to the top of the head and I'm gonna start fluffing out these pieces a little bit. I'm just pulling them gently outward, and you don't have to do this at all. You can do them big, you can do them small. I am just doing this here to give it a nice full look. Next, I am going to go to the opposite side of the head and do the same thing again. And here is our finished look. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share.